Hello friends, welcome to our channel Acco Medical. Today we will show you the demo of acco Mini Muscle Stimulator Machine. It comes with a carry bag and a complete accessory set. Let's start the demo now. Before that, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Switch on the machine. Keep intensity knob at 0. From here you can select surge faradic or interrupted galvanic. We will show you the demo on surge faradic. From here you can select it is for child or for adult. Place the pads as per the requirement. Set the surge duration. After setting the surge duration as per your requirement, increase the intensity. We have set the surge duration at 3. It means the intensity will stop for 3 seconds and then again it will start. It comes with a pen electrode. Pen electrode is used for the small parts, for face and for fingers. You have to place the pad and once the treatment is completed, make the intensity knob at 0. Switch off the machine. You can also buy this machine online at Medicalbazzar.com. The link will be given in the description below. Thank you. The demo is completed.